you gotta do is take out the two screws on the bottom. After you take out the two screws, let's take out the glass the right way. Using the tweezers, look on the bottom. Don't push it on the first middle piece. Inside. So stick it inside and just give it a little push up. Like that. You can see it comes up a little bit. To the next side, push up. This way is going to save your frame so you don't put any scratches, and it's much nicer than using the suction cup. Suction cup can give you damage on your LCD, a lot of other things. This is the right way to do it. Use your tweezers again. Move the LCD. Just attach the glass, the proximity sensor, and then lift that up and take out the microphone. As you can see, there's 3 wires that we just took out, 3 connectors. After you do that, best thing to do is, we don't want to damage the LCD. Just take out the screws here. 1, 2 on this side, and then on the next side, 1, 2, 3. And there's one more on the top. Whatever. As you can see, I take this off a lot, so I don't have that many screws on it. I like to stick something on the side of the LCD so I don't pull it out too hard. Stick that in. Put a guitar pick. Lift up the LCD. Lift it out. After taking out the LCD, as you can see the crack right here. Just go around the glass with the pick. You can use anything. Sometimes I even use my fingernail. Go around the whole glass to remove any adhesives. Comes out pretty easy. After that, as you can see, there's a lot of sticky stuff still on here. Let's take that off really fast. You can get a nice close glass. Some people that replace the glass, the glass is sticking out, and you can see right away that the glass has been replaced. So you want to take all this stuff out so it looks nice and clean. that's all I'm gonna do. There's some more over here that I should take off, but next you want to take the strips that came with your kit. Big piece on the bottom. Rub it on there really nice. Make sure it sticks on there really nice and clean. Top piece. After it's on there, nice. Remove the top adhesive. It's on there pretty good. Take the new glass. Put this strip, these two cords underneath. Make sure it's on there. Nice. Press down. Make it as clean as you can. Don't bend the frame too much when you put it on. You don't want to bend the frame. Press it down. It's pretty flush. It's on there pretty good. After that, I usually take a tissue and clean the back, get off any fingerprints. That's the last thing that you want, you know. You don't want to look at fingerprints your whole time, every time you look at the phone. Put on the LCD. Match up all the holes. And the last screw right here on the top. Take our phone. I like to bend back the proxy cable. I like to put that right underneath the LCD cable like that to hold it, and then make this cable as straight as I can. Put it in there, get a bit of an angle. Usually slides right in, but if you're having a problem, I'd say it's best to buy tweezers. This if you don't put this in right, you're not gonna get a proximity sensor. So that means every time you use the phone, your cheek is going to be pressing the mute button or the speaker button. It's a real headache. So make sure you put this cable in really nice. Next, put on the next cable for the glass. And then the LCD.